Join me as I put the Garmin FENIX 8 Pro to the test and see if it really lives up to its title as the world's most advanced GPS watch. The Garmin FENIX 8 Pro is the latest and greatest in GPS watch technology, designed specifically for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes who demand the most from their gear. With advanced features like multi-band GPS, health monitoring, and customizable sports modes, this watch promises to be the ultimate companion for anyone who loves to push their limits. When you're out in the wilderness, navigating treacherous terrain or tracking your fitness progress, the last thing you want to worry about is your technology failing you. But let's face it, we've all been there, stuck in the middle of nowhere with a dead watch battery or a GPS signal that's spotty at best. As outdoor enthusiasts, we need gear that can keep up with us, no matter what the conditions. Reliable navigation is critical when you're exploring the great outdoors. You need to know exactly where you are, where you've been, and where you're going. And when you're tracking your fitness goals, accurate data is essential. But what happens when your GPS signal is weak, or your watch battery runs out in the middle of a long hike? It's frustrating, to say the least. That's why Garmin has designed the FENIX 8 Pro to be the ultimate solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a hiker, runner, cyclist, or just a fitness enthusiast, you need a watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle. And let's not forget about the importance of health monitoring. We all want to stay on top of our game, and that means tracking our heart rate, sleep patterns, and other vital signs. So what makes the Garmin FENIX 8 Pro so special? For starters, it boasts multi-band GPS, which means you get accurate satellite signal reception even in the most challenging environments. It also has advanced health monitoring features, including pulse oximetry and respiration tracking. And with customizable sports modes, you can tailor the watch to your specific activity or workout. Whether you're tackling a triathlon or just going for a casual jog, the FENIX 8 Pro has got you covered. But what really sets this watch apart is its solar charging capabilities. That's right, folks, this watch can harness the power of the sun to extend its battery life. And when you're out in the wilderness for extended periods, that's a game changer. Imagine being able to go on a week-long backpacking trip without ever having to recharge your watch. It's a dream come true for outdoor enthusiasts. And let's not forget about the watch's enhanced battery life during extreme activities. Whether you're skiing, mountain biking, or trail running, the FENIX 8 Pro has got the power to keep up.